Of the three main types of energy systems, electric power is the most widely used. It affects each of us on a day-to-day basis as it enables lighting, heating, and cooling of our homes, as well as powers televisions, appliances, and computers. Although a complex system, electric power can be suitably represented by its five main assets: power generation plants, transformers, transmission lines, substations, and distribution lines. Electric power is generated and transmitted on a regional scale, then distributed at the local level through an interconnected grid of substations and buried or elevated power lines. Individual components, as well as the electric power system as a whole, are dependent on other infrastructure systems to function. Examples of these dependencies include a power plant's reliance on transportation systems to transport the fuel needed to generate power. A power plant is also dependent on water for cooling, maintenance, and other operations. Additionally, the electric power system is reliant on communication systems to provide networks for monitoring and managing the generation and delivery of electricity. These are certainly not all of the infrastructure services upon which the electric power system is dependent, but this demonstrates the general concept. Now let's look at the supply side of electric power. What depends on electricity to perform normal operations? As we are all aware, individual households use electricity in many day-to-day functions. Businesses, government facilities, and emergency services rely on electricity to power computer, security, and building systems. The communications sector needs electricity to power critical network assets such as cell towers, broadcast stations, and radio repeaters. Water and wastewater systems depend upon electricity to power treatment plants and pumps. Electric infrastructure systems also provide essential power to public transportation systems, healthcare facilities, and almost every other critical infrastructure sector.